Welcome to Homemaking with Mima. My name is Wendy, and in today's video I'm going to bring you along while I get the items that I recently canned in their spots. So in this video I'm going to get all these items that I canned in January onto the clean shelves now. And I'm pretty proud of all this that I got done. If you've ever canned, you know how much of a process that it is. Now granted, I only got 4 items here canned and I wanted to get more canned. But we'll see. I'll pluck away at it. But I've got the poultry broth, which is the chicken and turkey carcasses turned into broth. I've got the potatoes that I did. I've got the beef broth made from our beef bones and scraps of beef roasts and that. And I've got spaghetti sauce made with meat that I used in my new canner. We've already eaten one. So I'm just going to get the items that I recently canned in their spots. So I've got it all put away. I got the potatoes right where I wanted them. I have the spaghetti sauce I just recently made. Got another roll of that. I put the beef broth over here this time, and the chicken slash turkey. I've got it poultry. That's how I've got it labeled. In that spot, in that box I mentioned, is the stuff I have to use up first. So if it's in the box, I'll know to grab that first. All right, so I'll bring this back a little bit so you can get a better view of it all. So there it is. I do have some empty spots, but I'm okay. I'm okay with all that. I do want to can some more chicken like I've mentioned before. There's, I want to do some more kidney beans and some more white beans. And I want to do the strawberry jalapeno jam, but we'll see how much time I get before the spring comes. This winter season is going really fast. All right. I think it looks very beautiful. All right. I know this was a really short video. I did the cleaning a little bit back, so I didn't have to do that. Otherwise, this probably would have been a longer video if the two of them were combined. But I've got everything on the shelf where I want it, and it's a great feeling. I did a lot of canning in January. It wasn't very many items, but when you're doing broth, it takes you a couple days. You want to brew the broth, a stock, for a couple days to get as much as you possibly can out of it. So it does take a few days to do it. And but again, I'm very pleased with how my canning shelf looks. I take pride in it. I've only been canning for 5 years, and I'm glad I I jumped into it. I really am glad. So to end this video, I want to thank you folks for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you can get recent videos that are uploaded, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.